Literally, you can play it anywhere, even on top of a car. It's actually really cool. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be looking at the all-new Oculus Quest 2. That is right, Oculus is back at it again with a brand new standalone unit. This here is the Quest 2 by Facebook. Now, this was sent in courtesy of Micro Center. So if you guys wanted your very own, be sure to check out their link down below in the description. Now, the unique thing about this particular setup, it is a standalone unit, allowing you to go ahead and use it wherever, whenever, without any sensors. In addition to that, it also has the capability to connect to your PC if you want to play heavy-duty games. Now, this particular unit is very unique just because it features a Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 processor with 6 GB of RAM. In addition to that, it has an 1832 by 1920 screen on both eyes, giving you 50% better visual view from the previous model. Now, this here features a brand new remote as well as lightweight capability and other unique design concepts, which we'll see just a little bit. Now, this here is the 64 GB priced at about $299. There's also the 256, which is about $100 more. So in this episode here, we'll be unboxing it, trying it out, and seeing exactly what it's all about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this here is our box. So it does say it's from Facebook. It does showcase it right here. So it's like a white version. Looks really cool. Now this here is the 64 GB version. It does come in the 256 as well. So if you want that, it's about $100 more. This one here is $299. Now as we kind of open it and move it around, it does feature what's inside, which includes the VR headset, 2 touch controllers, 2 AA batteries, a power adapter, glasses spacer, as well as a charging cable. On the back here kind of shows games that feature with it. So you have the Star Wars game, Climb 2, Beat Saber, Jurassic Park, Population 1, and Horizon. This is content not included, so you do have to purchase it. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. Wow, check that out. So pretty straightforward stuff here. So it says step 1, pull out the tab. Step 2, turn it on. Step 3, turn it on, and you're ready to play. Alright, so on the top here you do see the 2 controllers. You see our head unit, and then you have a box here which houses our adapter. User manual. So you get a reference guide as well as a warranty guide. A charger port for our wall. So it looks like it's a USB-C to USB-C, so just keep that in mind. Alright. And that's literally everything that's in here. Okay. So we have our 2 controllers, we have our head unit, and then we have a glasses spacer. That's kind of nice for people like me. Luckily my vision's not too bad, so I don't really have to worry about this, but this just gives a little bit of a space so you can wear your glasses inside. Alright, so these are the new controllers. Definitely a lot more redefined, I would have to say. I kind of like it a lot. It's got this like almost like futuristic feel to it. So you have a trigger here on the front, trigger here on the side, and then you have X and Y, and then you have an analog control as well. And then you have your menu function. So that is that. And then you have your battery port, which goes into here. You just got to pull this down like this. There you go. And then just each controller houses a AA. So these are not rechargeable. You do need to have AA batteries. Again, it does come with it, which is always nice too. Alright, so first thoughts, definitely very lightweight. You can see that it's got a very nice, like solid feel to it too. You have your sensors and your cameras throughout it. And then you have your volume control on the bottom here. So the lenses actually slide back and forth. I don't know if you guys can see that. So you can slide the lenses back and forth, and you can find the right angle based on your particular vision. Oh wow, this thing is so lightweight. This thing is incredibly light. So yeah. So a lot smaller than I was imagining. That's the first thought. I like the controllers a lot, and I like the screen too. You have your volume control on the bottom, and then you have your power button here on the side. You have your power port here as well on this side here. And then you have your straps, which you can go ahead and adjust per personal preference. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and turn it on next, and then we'll place it on our head just like this. You want to make sure that's nice and snug and it's nice and clear. Now obviously you make adjustments based off of your own personal preference. And then for the first starter point, what you're gonna do is you're gonna do the Guardian mode, which allows you to go ahead and create an area to play. Now I already did that, so you don't have to worry about that. But we're gonna go ahead and skip through this and we'll start the game. It's like that. We're currently screen recording. So this here is our main hub, or essentially our home. And as you can tell, it looks very cozy. So you have your main menu over here. You can see out there. You can even see the other homes too. So kind of giving you an aroma as if you're in a virtual world. Now, for demonstration purposes, I did download 2 games. I downloaded Super Hot VR as well as Beat Saber, both of my favorite games, which I use on HTC Vive. Now, you also have a variety of other features, including virtual reality entertainment, videos, you can contact your friends, and do a variety of other functions as well. So for demonstration purposes, we'll go ahead and jump right into a game and we'll try out Super Hot VR. Now this game here is a pretty interesting game. It's about shooting, but the unique aspect is it's about controlling time. So when you move, time moves. So it's a very unique aspect, which we'll find out in just a little bit. Okay, so we're in this office looking building. Looks really highly detailed. So you just grab this disc right here, and just go ahead and place it in just like that. And then it's going to tell us to go ahead and load up the disc. What we're going to do is we're going to grab our headset and put on our virtual reality headset in virtual reality. Alright, so I'm going to grab our gun and we're going to start. So shoot this guy, just like that. And now we're ready to play. So you can notice that time is currently frozen. So I'm looking around, nothing is happening. But the moment I grab a gun, things move around. I can grab the next gun, move around, bam, and then have another guy coming right there, bam, just like that. And now it says last words. Oh man, what am I gonna do? All right, so I gotta, okay, Whoa. Now I'm on the top here. Whoa! Oh no, it got me. All right, no, I got it. I got through. All right, so let me grab some guns from back here. Grab a Uzi. All right, we'll move on to the next level. So it's actually a lot of fun. Not sure what this thing does. Whoa! All right, so I just gotta toss at him. So look, time's not moving, but the moment I move it, whoa! That's so cool. Take that! Grab the gun. Whoa! It's a Matrix. You need a weapon? What? So, come on, we gotta do a fisticuffs. Alright, let's do it. Oh, okay. Just grab his gun. Haha, sucker. Take a sneak peek. Oh, crap. Grab this. Oh, man, it died. Alright, so it kind of gives you an idea what that's about. A lot of fun, and surprisingly, this thing is handling it very well. So I can go ahead and exit by holding the menu button right here. And then from there, I can just go ahead and hit quit. And I'll be back in my main menu. Now we can go ahead and try Beat Saber, another personal favorite of mine. So Beat Saber is a dancing game, or essentially using sabers. It's actually a lot of fun. If you've never played it, I highly recommend it to everybody. So I hit continue. And let's go ahead and try this out. Okay, so we'll do solo. And of course, our favorite, $100 bill. So they have different songs, and then you have these sabers, and you just gotta hit them just like that. It tells you which direction to hit the cube in. So if you've never played this game, you're actually missing out. The trick is just going with the momentum. Ah, I missed that one. There we go. Oh! Oh yeah. There we go. I think I got it though. You gotta move to the right, move to the left. Oh! You can literally play this thing anywhere. I mean, anywhere. It's really crazy. I mean, like literally play, just switch over, just like that. The response is really quick. Come on. Literally, you can play anywhere, even on top of a car. It's actually really cool. I'm like freaking out right now. Yeah, I probably look crazy right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and stop it right now. Well, it gives you an idea exactly what that's about. You can literally play it anywhere, and that is the beauty of the Quest 2. Now, if you guys had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.